I'm Derek Dixon with Mob Armor. I'm going to show you a couple products here today that are available now. First one is this Mobnetic Pro 90. It's one of our best sellers. It's a double-sided magnetic mount. Starts with these steel discs that you put on your dash in order to hold the mount to it directly. Comes with plates for the back of your phone, tablets, or anything else that you want to mount. Direct connection to it. It allows you to maneuver your phone in and give it any articulation that you want. So, one of the reasons why this mount is super unique is because it has a double-sided magnetic design. And the reason why that's good is because it can work not only in the vehicle, but in the shop, on the outside of trucks, anywhere there's steel or anywhere you can mount one of these discs. The reason why that makes it nice is because it becomes more than a phone mount. So tuners, radios, it doesn't just have to fit one type of device, it can do a little bit of everything. So like I said, if you don't have metal, obviously it comes with these steel discs, little 3M VHB on the back. That's gonna help you adhere it to your dash. So anywhere you wanna put this, you'll mount the disc there, let the VHB adhere to it, and that's gonna give you your surface to mount the mount. I also want to talk a little bit about our Tabnetic Pro. The reason why this thing is nice is because just like our other mounts, it's very universal. It can be used in a variety of different ways. Same exact thing, it's got a double-sided magnetic design. It allows you to stick it to anywhere there's metal or anywhere you have the mounting disc adhered to. Same like our other magnetic mounts, comes with a shield plate to go on the back of your tablet or whatever other device you want to mount. It gives you a direct connection to use it appropriately. So one of the reasons why this product is unique is because not only design, but everyone's starting to move over to phones and tablets for all their software, their ELDs, their loggings, whatever it is they use to do their job efficiently. So that's why these mounts are super unique, because not only can they do it inside the vehicle, but they can do it outside the vehicle on job sites. We have a lot of municipalities, fire departments, police departments. They're all starting to hang over or change over to tablets, and in turn they need really strong products that are going to work and get the job done.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.